Hey guys, so in this video we have here our JBL GO4 portable Bluetooth speaker, and in this video we want to remove the grill from our speaker. So first of all, we want to let you know removing the speaker will not interfere with the speaker being waterproof. So it's still going to be waterproof after the fact, as long as you don't do any extra damage here to the speaker. So, but of course we're going to be really extra careful. And then also at the end of the video, we're going to show a little bit how the driver works or looks like when we are playing some music here. So first, we're going to use here a small flat blade screwdriver, and then we're going to take a look at the sides here of the speaker. We're going to see these little slots here. So that's where the two parts, the back side and the front side of the speaker grill, are connected, and we're going to use here our screwdriver to pry in a little bit, and then we can relatively simply pop those off, these corners here, just these corners. So we're going to do that on both sides. So at the top of the speaker and the bottom of the speaker, and also here for the front and for the back. And then we're going to slide in the screwdriver here on the back side. First on the back side, it's pretty important to get a little bit of practice here, so that we don't damage accidentally the front side of the speaker. So we're just going to slide this in here and then popping off those tabs in those other two corners here. I'm going to show you these tabs here that are still holding on now to the speaker. See here, these those are two of these here on the back side, also on the front side as well. So these hook into these little grooves here that you see here in the corners. So now let's pop off the front grill as well. And here we have to be extra careful, because that's where the driver is located and also the passive radiator. And we want to make sure that we don't accidentally damage the driver or the passive radiator. So here we also have those clips in the corner. So you're carefully going to pop those off as well. Make sure you don't move the screwdriver too far into the speaker or towards the inside of the speaker. And then here we have two more little pins that hold down the grill in the front, or the front grill. So we have to remove those here as well, or pop those out as well. I'm going to show you those in a second. Here you see those clips in the corners, and then also those pins kind of in the middle. And here is the driver on the right side, and here the passive radiator on the left side. You really want to make sure you don't accidentally puncture either of those with your screwdriver when you're popping off your grill. Okay, so then, as I said before, the speaker is still waterproof as long as you don't remove the back cover or the driver or the screws here for the driver. So as long as we don't go any further, the speaker is still going to be waterproof. Okay, so now let us have a look at how to reassemble the speaker. So first we're going to start here with the back side. So we're going to take a look at the writing here of the those two plastic tabs here, those rubberized tabs on the back side. So we're going to make sure we can read that writing so that we hold this back cover upright, and then we also hold our GO4 upright, and then we can simply clip this on here. First those two corners with the plastic tabs, and then we're popping on here the corners that are going to connect to the front air grill as well. And then here the opposite side here, the front side of the grill. This is really easy since we have the JBL logo here, and it actually won't fit upside down. So you're going to hold the JBL logo upright and then do the same thing here. First put in the those tabs in the middle, and then the ones on the side, and then the corners here. We're going to click those in as well. Should be really simple and shouldn't leave any marks. So it should be really looking like brand new. Okay, so then let's have a little sample here of how this looks like when we're playing the speaker.